Nature and movement categories. Chara or Chal, movable. This category of nakshatras signifies a movable, dynamic, adaptable, and flexible nature, and movement characterized by constant change, versatility, curiosity, and quick adjustment to new situations. Nakshatras included Punarvasu, Swati, Shravana, Ganishta, Shatabasha. Ideal for undertakings that require movement, adaptability, and change, such as travel, relocation, new beginnings, projects, trading, sales, marketing, career shifts, skill development, and short-term ventures. They suit dynamic, fast-paced environments and those who thrive on exploration and versatility. Love what you see? Follow, like, comment, and share. It fuels the next drop.